Hey, it's Joel. This is Fan Mail Friday. This is its new home, Technically Nerdy. This is Eddie.
Hello.
We are currently building a giant server, and there was a video that we put out not that long ago talking about it. We've done some filming today. Eddie's configuring a UEFI boot device, and while he's doing that, I am going to host Fan Mail Friday. This first package, well, this is interesting. You know him as LDO Motors on the Twitters. It's Jason. I saw him in Las Vegas for CES, and when I did that, he said, Joel, I have some stuff for you. And I said, I don't have any checked luggage. Why don't you send it in for Fan Mail Friday? So he did. Here we go. Hi, Mr. Nerd. It's Jason from LDO Motors, and I wanted to present you a gift at CES, but it seems you have no room, which I didn't. So I just mail it. Okay, it's Fan Mail Friday, and yes, I'm your fan since I'm working around the 3D printer business. Good luck, and hope to see you more amazing videos about 3D printers. Cheers, Jason. It's very kind of you. Let's see if I can hold this up. So Jason sent gifts. Look at that. That's stuff. That is fun stuff right there. It is caramel corn, which I love. LDO Motors case. I'll look at that in just a second. LDO Motors calendars, postcards, and this inside. Ooh, that's kind of cool. It is laser etched LDO Motors. That's pretty cool. Inside this case, though, this was the interesting one. Hi, David. Burgers are ready? Almost. Okay. Thank you, David. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. It's a thingy. So I can plug in. I can go to the UK and have USB power. I can travel. Thank you, Jason. That was very kind of you. Thank you very much. Let's get a little tighter shot there. There we go. Can you still? Oh, my head's a little blocked. All right, bring it back. Bring it back. There we go. Hope you can hear me over the fans. It's actually kind of quiet. This next envelope is from Noah. This is from Noah out of Huntersville. Dear 3D printer nerd, it's me. My name is Noah, and I am 11 years old. I love your videos, and you inspired me to ask for an Ender 3 for Christmas, and you got it. That's fantastic. Could I have a couple of stickers? Thanks. I like how you go to different places to make videos. It would be cool to see you make Ender 3 video. Well, you know what? You're in luck. Eddie, could you hand me that box behind the trash? Nope. Lower, 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 lower. Look at that. This is an Ender 3, and your wish is my command. I will start making Ender 3 videos. Just like that. I like how that works out. Usually, for Fan Mail Friday, the stickers, I mean, you did the right part of a self-addressed stamped envelope, but you didn't include the money for the box. However, you sound awesome, and you got me motivated to go get that Ender 3 out of the box. So, Noah, it's your lucky day, because Noah, you get stickers. Last, and certainly not least, this is from Caleb. Interesting story. When I was at a doctor appointment on the east side, so Seattle's over here and the east side's over there. On the east side, this woman recognized me and said, wait, Joel, are you 3D printing nerd? Yes, I am. My husband watches your channel and loves it. His name is Caleb. So Caleb sent in some fan mail. Thanks, Caleb. This is exciting. Okay, there's some stuff. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Okay, so $12 US. We're gonna put that right there because that's for later. There also happens to be a self-addressed stamped envelope. Again, that is for later. There's these colorful bandy thingies and a note. Hi Joel, happy holidays, Merry Christmas, and happy Hanukkah to you and the family. Obviously, this is not timely in me opening this. I'm sorry about that. I'm the husband whose wife ran out and introduced herself to you recently when leaving an appointment. And as promised in an email I sent you here are the flexible prints I wanted to send you that I printed up on my modified G-Max 1.0 printer. Yeah, one of the originals. I designed, these are kind of cool. Okay, so I designed these multi-purpose straps several years ago for a project and I found them really handy. I hope you and your family or friends find them useful and also maybe even fun. My wife and I have used them for all sorts of things, from holding on to a printed gauntlet to chaining our rafts together down the river. That's exciting. Or adding a handle to a bottle that's missing one. That's important. I've added links at the bottom of this email for the STL and Thingiverse and my mini factory. I even finally decided to make a YouTube video in preparation for sending these to you, which describes the straps. And I hope they have the images up in time for you to let's see, in time for you to open this of more ways to use it. Okay, so I will go and look, obviously. I happen to have a cat. We don't. So this doesn't apply to me. All the straps are printed on an E3D V6 with 0.4 millimeter diameter nozzle and a layer height of 0.25. Also, in case you and viewers want to know each material I use for the straps, here's the list. White, green, and blue. White, green, and blue is Ninja Flex. Black is Semi-Flex from Ninja Tech. Reddish orange, GP3D elastic. Magenta and pink, that's Recrius 3D. I included some cash to donate to Seattle Children's Hospital. I think it's incredibly cool. You partner with them and help raise so much to contribute to them each year. I also added a self-addressed stamped envelope because I would proudly display a sticker from you in my workplace. You bet you're getting a sticker. Thank you so much for being a fun and positive source for great 3D printing content and for personally inspiring me to get back into printing after going through a very difficult year. I'm very happy that I was able to inspire you to get back into it. Sorry you had to go through that year, but I'm glad that is now in the past. Wishing you and the family best. High five, Caleb Koss. Caleb, thank you. Ooh, good timing. First things first, let's take care of business. Caleb, my friend from slightly further north, you get a sticker. That's gonna do it for this edition of Fan Mail Friday, the first one on Technically Nerdy. Caleb, again, thanks for these bracelets, these brackets, these pads, these things, these colorful, fun things. I will hold all sorts of stuff with them together. Big thanks to Jason from LDO Motors for this cool stuff. I love caramel corn, and now I have a fork and a spoon to eat with. Finally. And Noah, don't worry, that Ender 3 is going to get out of that box. Big thanks for everybody who came by and watched it on its new home. If you want to send anything in, the address is in the description of every video here. Don't forget to catch me over on the main channel, 3D Printing Nerd. Just do a search for 3D Printing Nerd here on YouTube. You will find me. Thanks again. Don't forget to hug each other more. I love you guys, as always. High five. Good job, Eddie.